this lesson, we're going to look at custom fields against the contact object. Let's dive into the screen share. So to look at create custom fields, we want to go to the settings and we're going to navigate down to custom fields. So at the time of recording this, we've just released folders for custom fields, which is fantastic. It helps you keep very organized. So custom fields can belong to a folder. And if they belong to a folder, it helps you keep really organized when you're looking at the contact in the user experience. So we've got all fields, we've got by folder, and we can create a new folder here, or we can add a new field. So to add a new field, we're going to just click on add field. And this gives us the types of values that we can expect. Text-based values, single line, multi-line, and a list. The values being number, so that's a number, a phone number, or monetary. So this is decimal, this is phone formatted, and this is actual digits. And then we've got options. So do we choose an option from a drop-down, a single or a multiple option, radio buttons, checkboxes and date pickers, and then other types, which is file uploading, and then an electronic signature. To create a new one, we would go single line, for instance, and I would say, I want to know favorite foods, next, and then where do we want this to be? Again, this is currently sitting against the contact object, and as you can expect, this will essentially eventually get over to the company object. At the time of recording this, I haven't released it yet, but it will be there. And then we've got the field name. So I might say it is fave food. Is it belonging to a group? Now these groups are not folders. The groups are where do you want them to appear in the user experience when looking at the contact card. So previously you hadn't been able to choose this. Now it's enhanced enough so that I can say, well, this is part of the general information. And off we go. There are some additional preferences that you can put it through here, like changing the key that has already been generated for you and a description. This is basically useful when looking at a large list of custom fields and you're using a list as a reference. So let's click save. Now that we have that field, it says it's added successfully. We can go back to contacts, and if I was creating a new contact, we don't see custom fields listed here. You only see them once that base record's been created. Scroll down to general information because that is the group that it belongs to. And under that, we've now got fave food. That's it for this lesson. We'll share how to use custom fields like when we're importing values or mapping values from Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and so forth. But essentially that is it. And we'll see you in the next lesson.